Hi, and Trevor Monk here. When it's time for a home remodeling project, our team at Monks will guide you through every step of the process. Begin by scheduling your free estimate online or with our customer service reps. We are available to answer your calls Monday through Saturday.
Your estimator will arrive at your scheduled appointment time to discuss your project, answer questions, and take measurements. They will gather all the critical project details. Monks continually invests in technology to improve and streamline our process. This ensures all important information will be gathered at the outset, giving you a detailed and accurate estimate. The estimator shares these project details with your designer in our showroom.
Now the fun begins. Your designer will work with you to create your dream space. They will listen as you discuss your household members, lifestyle, design preferences, and any must-have features in your new space. In either our Morristown or Fanwood showroom, they will help you select all the materials for your remodel. We will have everything you need from cabinetry to countertops, to tile, to fixtures, to hardware and more, all under one roof. They will offer guidance on color palettes, brands, materials, and maintenance.
Additionally, we also feature all the products you need for your home, like windows, doors, hardwood flooring, carpet, and composite decking. Our sales specialists will cut through the jargon and help you select the best items for your home and budget. Your materials are received and inventoried in our warehouse. We'll deliver them to your home once everything has arrived and the project is ready to begin. Your project manager manages all the construction components of your project. This includes submitting permits, coordinating crews, and scheduling inspections. They are there to answer questions, offer suggestions, and ensure you are satisfied with your project. We understand that a home improvement project can be a large investment. It can sometimes be stressful and complicate your daily routine. However, our process, technology, and team members help eliminate mistakes and reduce surprises.
Our goal is to minimize the disruption to your life and finish your project quickly and competently.
Together, the Monks team will build your dream.